Papa John's down 18% in a month. The options market, though, shows the trade may be set for a turnaround. Jon and Pete at the Telestrator. Doc, you start. PZZA.
That's right. It's a stock that's been much maligned, and a lot of it earned by, of course, John Shatter, of course. Now, today, Judge, they come in scrambling, buying upside calls, and they've been right. As you can see, stock's up $3.25 now. They were buying them when the stock was up less than $1. So which ones are they buying? Because that's always important. In Papa John's, they're coming in buying October 45s, giving themselves some time to be right after this big sell-off. I bought these calls as well. On this rally, if it gets up another 50 cents or a buck, I will sell a higher strike against it. That's my first trade.
Hey, hang on one second. Hold on real quick, because Joe has a comment on pizza.
It's for either John or for Pete. Are you also seeing the same type of activity in Wendy's? Because that's up 3%. It's got an outsized move today, and there obviously has been a lot of conversation about both those two companies collaborating.
I had not seen paper in there.
We didn't see any upside calls anyway, Joe, in Wendy's. But I do note that you're right about the movement in the underlying stock.
Well, there's the stock right there behind you. I mean, it has a nice move today, up about 3%.
Yep.
The other one you're watching, Doc's Williams.
Williams, they come into this one, Judge, shorter-term option, August options. Williams is just up 24 cents. They're buying the upside calls in this one. Started buying them with the stock right around 177 or something like that. So slightly in the money call. Bought about 4,000 of them. This one's going to be quicker. I'll probably be in it a week to 10 days.
All right, Pete, you're up, pal. What do you got?
Quick one for you in Symantec. And if you look at this chart, it's not very pretty once we get it up there. Is that awful or what? I mean, first of all, this major drop, and then there was this second drop that actually dropped it back down. It got as low as in the 17s, and it's rallied back a little bit off of that today when the stock was trading about 19.55, so very close to where it is right now. The buyers came in for the October 20 calls. Now, they were trading between 60 and about 80 cents, so we'll call it 70 cents. It was a little bit smaller number than this when it started because there was about 3,700. Now you can see this number pushing towards 6,000. So that's pretty interesting to me. I like what we were seeing there because this stock is beaten up. The forecast wasn't great. That's why it was resold again to the lower level. But I think maybe it's getting off of itself now, and maybe we get through 20. And because of that, I think these calls could really be great for me. So I own these calls. I'll have them at least a couple of months.